Welcome back. I'm Alan Mason with Styleplus. I'm going to go through the second tutorial video for the Digital Design Studio. We're going to break this down into a few different smaller videos so you can go through it, and I can slow things down so you can see most everything. So if you need to, you can check out the last video that you can find on YouTube or on styleplusband.com. Alright, so we've done the front. I want to sort of add maybe a new version of it, or maybe another one of these with a different angle coming from the other parts of the uniform. The best way to do that is going to be more tools. So more tools gives you a few more options, of course, hence more tools. Gives you a few more options that you can use that are added on top of the position, the rotate, the scale, and then the next one, the first one that you see is move speed. If you want to like sort of slightly nudge things over and not take bigger increments and you take smaller increments, move speed gives you that chance to do that. So instead of it taking bigger steps, it takes small little baby steps. And that's really when you're trying to hone in on the design and like make everything line up the best way possible. Layer, we'll get to layer in another video. Be on the lookout for that one. That's just adding another piece to your, if you have something else sitting on top of this that you want to be on the top, or you want something else with one of our uniform elements and design elements, we can use that. And then there's clone and flip and reset. So reset, of course, gets it back to exactly what it looks like whenever you put it onto the as manual. So you want to make sure you don't always do that. Let me get back to what I wanted. What I want to do now is I want to take this piece and then I want to clone it so I can start putting it on other pieces of the uniform. When you clone it, it automatically goes to the front again. So it's pretty much just taking what's there and putting it on top of it. You have to go through and change where that piece goes. Let's work on the right sleeve, starting out with the right sleeve. So we added the right sleeve. You have to uncheck the front sleeve so it's not on both of them, and that is just showing the right sleeve so that whenever you need to, you can go through and then auto fit the right sleeve to work best for what you're looking for. What I'm wanting to do is maybe make something a little bit more of a transition of the snowflakes. Yeah, that's perfect. So I want the snowflake scene to be very centralized up here, and then to have it fade out over here on the right sleeve. I feel like that worked pretty well. And then I can take this piece again, more tools, and then let's clone it again. Take it away from the right sleeve and add this one onto the left sleeve. Click on it, we'll auto fit, and that's exactly what I want. I want it to be right straight top. Start out blue here and then go back to the snowflakes. Maybe a little bit more snowflake. Let's see if we can find a better spot for it. There we go. And then we'll do a collar. For these, I really want to use standard colors. So let's try this, see if this works out a little bit better. Yeah, I'm cool with this. So as you can see, what I did was I utilized images, and then I went to the library, I did images, and I picked that image, and I was able to use it in 3 different ways to give me a full look for the front, and then use our colors up here and give us a different look for the back that can give you a nice contrast in the colors. So be on the lookout for part 2 of this one, which we're going to be talking about with the designs. So thanks for your time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks. Bye-bye.